Hello everyone. In this we are going to study about the heat transfer. First, introduction. First we'll learn about the definition of heat transfer. Heat transfer can be defined as the transfer of energy from one region to another due to temperature difference within a body or between a body and its surrounding medium. That they will say it as heat transfer. See, coming to the steady state heat transfer. If the rate of heat transfer is constant with time, it is known as steady state heat transfer. And if the rate of heat transfer is varying with time, it is known as unsteady state heat transfer. In this chapter, we are going to study about three modes of heat transfer. Three modes of heat transfers are conduction, convection, and radiation. First one, conduction. The definition of the conduction is defined as the transfer of energy from one region to another through molecules of solid medium due to temperature difference within the body or between a body and its surrounding medium. The principal law of conduction is Fourier's law. Fourier's law, you can see here, the Fourier's law will be Q equals minus K into A into dt by dx, where K will be the thermal conductivity, A will be the area of heat flow, then dt by dx will be the temperature gradient. The negative sign here because the heat will flow from the hotter region to the colder region. Next, convection. It is defined as the transmission of energy from one region to another due to temperature difference within a body or between a body and its surrounding media. Here, the media is liquid or gases and the molecules themselves move due to buoyancy force. Third one, radiation. That they will call it as thermal radiation. In addition to conduction and convection, heat transfer can also occur in the form of thermal radiation. The principal law of thermal radiation is Stefan-Boltzmann law. According to this law, the radiation heat flux is directly proportional to the fourth power of its absolute temperature, which causes the problem to be non-linear. Therefore, this mode of heat transfer is not considered. According to the definition here heat flux is proportional to the temperature to the fourth power. Therefore, Qx is equal to sigma into T raised to 4, where sigma will be the Stefan-Boltzmann value. Therefore, Stefan-Boltzmann constant is 5.669 into 10 raised to minus 8. Unit will be watt per meter square into Kelvin raised to 4. That they will call it as Stefan-Boltzmann constant. Next, the rate of heat flux by thermal radiation for gray bodies, they are given as sigma x equals sigma into epsilon into T raised to 4 minus T infinity into 4, where epsilon will be the emissivity of the surface, T will be equal to absolute temperature of body. Next, T infinity, absolute temperature of the surrounding. Thank you.